How to share YouTube playlist on WhatsApp. So to share a YouTube playlist on WhatsApp, whatever type of playlist you have created, open up YouTube, tap on your profile icon, then simply go to playlist. Now here you can simply select any type of playlist, then just tap on the three dots option from the top right. Now here you can see there is no any sort of share option or anything right here. So other way that you can do this is you can simply go to your songs right here. If it is a public playlist only, you'll be able to share it. So the other one right here was actually a private playlist. That's why I was not able to share it. But if there is a public playlist right here, then you'll find the share icon where you can tap on it. You can copy the link, or you can just select WhatsApp right here and you can send it to anyone that you prefer right here. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then share YouTube playlist to WhatsApp, but it needs to be a public playlist. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.